Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Blossom Katana in Blade Ball. This unique sword is a favorite among many players for its distinct appearance and effects. While it was a limited-time item, understanding its original acquisition methods can help you prepare for similar opportunities or explore alternative ways to obtain it. Let's dive into the details of how this beautiful weapon was made available to players. One primary way to obtain the Blossom Katana was through the exciting Bloom Spins event. During this event, players could earn free spins simply by logging in and playing the game each day. Additionally, performing well and achieving eliminations in matches would reward you with even more spins, increasing your chances to win this coveted item. For those who preferred a more direct approach, the Blossom Katana was also available for purchase in the in-game shop. This option allowed players to acquire the sword instantly for a set price. The cost for this exclusive item was 4,000 Robux, offering a guaranteed method to add it to your collection without relying on spin luck. It's important to note that the Blossom Katana was a limited-time offering, meaning it is not always available. However, special items often return during seasonal events or game anniversaries. Keep a close eye on official Blade Ball announcements and social media channels for any news regarding its potential return. Being prepared with enough in-game currency or Robux will be key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.